Question number 80. The question stem reads as, this paragraph best strengthens the statement that victims of a crime should. This is an indirect way of asking a conclusion question. It is not a strengthening question. Here it says what the paragraph strengthens, and it doesn't say that which of the following options strengthens the paragraph. Hence, we need to read the paragraph first, and it's a very short paragraph which says the judiciary needs a makeover. It is often believed that the judicial system could be fairer if it allowed victims the opportunity to come face to face with the person who has harmed them. Additionally, arbitration between victims and the wrongdoers would give the offenders a chance to express regret and apologize for the suffering they have inflicted on the victims. Now, from here, we have to find out that the victims of a crime should do what, according to the author. Now, A says, be merciful to the offenders. Now, the paragraph doesn't say that the victim has to forgive the offenders, or the victim would want the offender to get a lighter punishment. It doesn't say anything about that. So due to lack of data, we can't say A is the conclusion. B says, have the right to confront their offenders. Now, come face to face can be taken as another way of confrontation. Though the word confront normally is used negatively, still in this paragraph we can say that yes, the author does agree with the fact that the victim should have a chance to come to face with the person or the offender, and in that way you can have a confrontation. So till now B looks like the best answer. C says, get themselves involved in mediation. Now, mediation is mentioned here in this paragraph, but mediation basically means that the victim could probably want a solution to the crime, or the victim should be the facilitator for reconciliation. Now, that doesn't that is not justified by the paragraph. The author hasn't given us a hint as to whether the victim should come face to face with the accused in order to find a solution, or in order to express their anger, or in order to get them punished. It doesn't say that. And the process of mediation basically means the mediator or the judiciary, which normally acts as the mediator between the accused and the victim. So if we compare B and C, B looks like a better option. And D says, insist that the offenders be brought to book. Now this one is it's a very vague statement. Again, like option A, we don't know what kind of punishment does the victim want for the offender. Hence, B is the best statement or the best option of this question.